Hey, welcome back. Today I thought I would try the very old, very classic Power of Makeup challenge that Nikki Tutorial started years ago. And I thought instead of doing like full glam on the makeup side, I would just kind of do like a normal everyday quick look. And maybe we can revisit like glam in the future. But like I know I would look quite different with like a face full of glam. But like how does my regular face compare to my like regular face, you know? So that is what we're going to be doing today. It's Sunday night. I have been living my life like this all day. Generally on days where I'm not working, I'm not wearing makeup. And I have no problem going out and about, doing things, hanging out with people with no makeup on. But I've been wanting to try this challenge out for a little while here. So let's get started. And today I'm going to put makeup on this side of my face and leave this side bare. Aside from washing it this morning in the shower and moisturizing, this face is what you see is what you get. So on the other side, I'm gonna get to work. A little bit of the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. This is just a tiny mini sample that I've received. And for foundation, I'm going to be using the Sephora Perfection Mist Airbrush Foundation, which I've been really digging for quick, lazy workday makeup. I'm gonna conceal with my Milk Makeup Flex Concealer. Any random spots that I have. The foundation is quite low coverage, so this just kind of helps perfect anything that might need perfecting. And we'll get some under the eye as well. It's so quick and easy to contour with this Rihanna Beauty matchstick. This is in the shade Amber. That even on like light makeup days, I just go ahead and throw some contour on. Takes 2 seconds to blend out. And of course, I've also been loving the Sephora Stick Blush. This is their blush to go in Miss Spicy. My last step for base is a little bit of highlight, and y'all know I've been using the Bar of Gold highlight from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just gonna place that with my finger, and we'll give that a quick blend. Awesome, quick and easy. Next, I think moving on to brows will make a huge difference. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown. I'm going to set the brows in place with my Glossier Boy Brow in brown. Moving on, I'm going to apply a little bit of my Urban Decay Primer Potion just to my eyelid before we move on to eyeshadow. And for eyeshadow, I'm just going to do a super simple look just to make my eye kind of look a little bit bigger. And for my eyes to appear just a tiny bit less hooded, if at all possible. I always start with a wash of pretty much my skin tone all over, and then I'll take some darker matte colors just to go in the crease. And I'm kind of cheating and going higher than my actual crease to make it look like I've got more eyelid space than I actually have. And I'm using kind of a finer, a smaller almost a blending out brush, just to place it exactly where I want it. And then I'll go in with a more traditional fluffy blending brush to actually like do the actual blending. And for like everyday looks, I blend out a lot. Like if I've got my glasses on and you can't really even see that I'm wearing eyeshadow, that's totally cool with me. Okay, we can go back into those lighter shades and just clean up the edges. And then I'm just gonna stick my finger in the kind of mid-tone shades and plop that on my lid. Just kinda really quickly, just kind of blending everything together just so there's no like bare skin up there. I always do a bit of a winged eye, and lately I've been shaking it up instead of using a liquid liner. Going with this Smashbox Always Sharp Kohl liner, and this is in the color Sumatra. I just stick really close to the lash line. Line my eye, and then I take a angled brush and just kind of smooth out the line. And then right before I'm done, I'm gonna add a little bit of like wing definition. And of course I'm just gonna take my brush and blend that out as well. Gonna curl my lashes. And for mascara, I'm gonna be using Roller Lash from Benefit. To deepen up my lash line, aside from that brown liner, I'm just gonna go in with a tiny touch of black in the waterline. And on the bottom waterline, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, Classic. And I'm gonna bring it into my inner eye as well. I kind of put it up on the rim of my eye, and then I'll just give it a really quick blend out to soften the edge. Pretty sure the last step is just a little bit of lipstick, so I've decided, so Sephora actually was giving away these Walk of Shame Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks away for a point reward, and it was a really reasonable amount of points too. I think it was like 700 points for a full size. And the last step in my routine is to powder and use a setting spray. So I'll quickly powder. This is the Lise Wattier Teint Velour in Universal. And I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Blur Spray to set this side of my face. And I think the very final step is just me going back in to clean up and remove any makeup from like this side of my face. So let me quickly make a more defined line. The last thing I should do is just kind of do some to my hair here. Alright, and there is my final Power of Everyday makeup look complete. Here is me fresh-faced, and here is me all made up. Anyway, I really think this is a super fun challenge, and if you haven't tried it before, If you're bored on like a Sunday night, a weeknight, and you've got nothing to do, give it a go. See what the before and after looks like. I love the transformative power of makeup, just like Nikkie Tutorials. I think it's so fun. I think it's a privilege to be able to wear and to be able to have such control of the image that we present to the world. It's very exciting stuff. Cool how much bigger your eyes can look with makeup, and how much better your eyebrows can look. I don't know. It's a lot of fun. And pretty much every day you can be a different person. Woo! Anyway, if you have tried one of these challenges in a video or on Instagram before, share your video down below and let us see what your transformation looks like. If you'd like to see a more glammed version with a lot more eyeshadow, maybe a red lip, heavier coverage, foundation, and maybe like false eyelashes, definitely leave a comment or give this video a thumbs up and I can do that maybe in March. I hope you enjoyed today's quick little video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share with anybody else who might find it helpful or inspiring. Leave me any tips if you think there's something that I could do to my everyday routine to either make it faster, improve it, to change the shape of something. I don't know, anything that you might have to share. A huge shout out to my darling patrons for watching today's video. Stay tuned for a Patreon only live stream tonight at 8:30 p.m. exactly 12 hours from when this video goes live. You will be able to find that live stream over on my Patreon, so come with any questions, comments. Let's have some fun with makeup tonight. If you'd like to see more of my makeup videos, I'll have some suggestions linked up here. And make sure you hit subscribe. I post new beauty videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And with that, you guys, I will see you all in Wednesday's beauty video. Bye for now.